The Utah Department of Transportation is improving northbound I-15 between Bangerter Highway and I-215 in Salt Lake County. Nearly 130,000 vehicles use this section of northbound I-15 daily, and that number is expected to approach 200,000 by the year 2040. To address current and future traffic needs, two changes are coming to northbound I-15 that will improve safety and reduce travel times. The first is a new additional lane from Bangerter Highway to 9400 South. The second, and the biggest change, is a new ramp system or collector-distributor system parallel to mainline I-15 from 9400 South to I-215. This new system will help traffic flow more smoothly and safely by eliminating weaving traffic on I-15 between 90th South and 7200 South. From northbound I-15, enter the new ramp system prior to 90th South. This three-lane ramp system connects I-15 to 7200 South and I-215, changing the way you access these two exits. Once you enter the new ramp system, you will not be able to enter back onto I-15. Follow the overhead signs to exit at 7200 South or to access both directions of I-215. From 90th South, use the on-ramp to access either northbound I-15 or the new ramp system. Follow overhead signs and pavement markings to enter the appropriate lane. For I-15, stay left and continue onto the freeway. For 7200 South and I-215, stay right and merge onto the new ramp system. These improvements are scheduled to open in early 2021, with the project finishing in summer 2021. This project is one more way UDOT is keeping Utah moving.